Hey, today, let's talk about the automatic hose cutting machine. How to use an automatic hose cutting machine. The first step, put the hose in from the back of the machine to the knife edge in front. The second step is to set the parameters. The tal means the number of knives cut or the times of cuts. This time, we set length as 50 millimeters and the time of cut is 50. Sure, the tal also needn't be set. Press. Tal means to set the time of cut. 50 times. Press, set. Press, len. Press 5. 0, it means 50 millimeters. Press, set. Press EMP means from the beginning and clear the display of cut time. Press run. For example, sometimes you want to set to cut every 1 meter. You can set the length to 1000 millimeters. If you want to test and cut 4, you can press tal, press 4, press set, then press EMP, and finally press run. Finished alarm, press a stop. If you want to cut it again, please press EMP. Press EMP. Cut it again with last setting.